Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@thewatchbox.com, your purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see on any Watchbox platform. Please reach out to me directly. Email tmosso@thewatchbox.com for pricing. Today, we're discussing a model launched in 2020, an innovative take on the IWC Portuguese family. This is the Portugieser Yacht Club Moon, reference 3440-01 in 5N red gold. It is a dramatic and sizable watch at 44.6 millimeters in diameter, 13.7 millimeters thick, 52.5 millimeters lug-to-lug, and 22 millimeters between the lugs. A large watch, make no mistake, it is a sporting take on the Portugieser, and it's large and in charge. On my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, I could wear this watch, but honestly, I don't recommend wearing it on a wrist any smaller than mine. There would be some proportion issues, and the lugs would probably be hanging out over the edge of your wrist. Now, taking a look at the strap, IWC does not disappoint. This strap is designed to integrate with the case, and you can see quite well, it has a sort of almost textile pattern molded into it, and it's a dark blue. It conforms to the curve of the case and the slope of the lugs. On the underside, you can see it's a brand new IWC factory strap in outstanding condition, and it's attached to a full deployment clasp, which includes a combination of satin finish, media blasting inside, and high polish. You have that insurance here against accidentally dropping the watch while donning or removing it bedside. The strap is quite thick. It feels as though it would last forever, and I can see someone getting up to a decade out of that strap without requiring replacement. Now, taking a look at the case, you can see there's a set of crown guards. Don't mistake it for a chronograph. It's not. We have polished crown guards around a screw-down crown. The watch is 60 meters water resistant, which IWC advises is fine for swimming in most conventional applications. It's not a diveable watch, but just about any time you would swim naturally without apparatus, you can wear this watch. The case is simple and strong, with the traditional blended lug profile that we've known well since the first Portugieser, reference 325 of 1939. The lugs are tapered and handsome, polished on their top, and we have a cantilevered bezel that's all of high polish, giving way to a blue sunburst metallic dial, decorated with a Rahal outboard in satin, rose gold, and then inboard applique indices, as well as Arabic numerals. We have a lovely, nautically inspired bolt-fixed scale for reading the high tide and low tide, and then we have a set of leaf or foy style hands at center with a stepped date window leading down to a matching color date disc, which is blue with a white print. Now, you set the date as well as the tide indication using a quick set, and you advance the hands to set the moon phase. We have moon phases for the southern and northern hemispheres, and then of course the moon and the tide are interrelated. Once you set it, it is good long term. Of course, we have a hacking or stop seconds function. I'll pull the crown out so you can see this. So you can set the watch precisely against a reference time, and then we'll turn the watch over. And we have an IWC manufactured caliber 82835 automatic winding. You can see it uses, and we'll get as close as we can here. I think I've corrupted the focus a bit on my camera. But we have a ceramic IWC Peloton pawl-based winding system. Ceramic pawl wheel as well as pawls, reducing and downright eliminating, I should say, the previous problem of dirt on the movement occasionally precipitated by the Peloton system. The ceramic solves that. We have skeletonized bridges, so you can see the underlying works, including the barrel drive. We have a beat rate of 8 beats per second, a free-sprung balance for durability, a 5-position high horology style adjustment, and it is a 22-joule movement. Again, a 60-hour power reserve. You can see there's a rose gold disc within the winding rotor. Turn it all over so you can see the opposite side and the skeletonized barrel bridge along with the drivetrain downstream from it. It is a good-looking watch front and back, and again, IWC including its own watchmaking here, including historic elements like the Peloton, updated with modern technology. Let's do a quick loom shot because this watch is loomed. As you can see, fully loomed and well loomed, easy to see by day, easy to see by night, with an unconventional and helpful complication for fishermen and mariners alike. Reach out to tmosso@thewatchbox.com for purchase and pricing details.